Get ready. Start. I think there is room, indeed, I am sure there is room for something more on the topic I have mentioned before. It can be said that the public is tired of it. There are some people, however, who know very little of the origin and meaning of many peculiar expressions of frequent occurrence. For their sake, for their satisfaction and pleasure, as well as for the educational advantage it would be to them, I wish there were some means of bringing before their notice some of the books already published on this subject. Next para. If anyone says he does not need the sympathy of his fellows, he is not true to himself or to humanity, for the whole structure of society rests upon sympathy among individuals towards one another. If it were not so, then society as it exists today would be impossible. The strongest of us imperatively requires sympathy for some time or other. Our natures are certain to call for it, and if it is refused, that which is best in us becomes warped. History and literature furnish us with many examples of this. An unsympathetic nature is like the biting Arctic winds, but a sympathetic disposition is like the balmy breezes of the south, and the more expensive our sympathies, the more nearly do we approach towards the ideal of a deserved and pure success. Next para. I know there is a variety of opinion, however, on almost all questions, and if there be any of my readers who doubt the benefit to be derived from such a study as I have referred to, and if they assert that, in their opinion, it would be a waste of time as well as money to procure such books, I ask them for their own sake and for that of other people in their disposition, who may look at the matter from their own view, to weigh the following points as carefully and as soon as they can. How often do we come across such phrases as toad eater, salted accounts, etc., and though their meaning from their position in the sentence may be pretty clear, should we not have some difficulty in saying how they came to have their present signification? Have we not all occasionally read some phrase or heard some allusion which we did not understand? And have we not sometimes lost the beauty of a passage through our want of knowledge? I think there will be few who will dissent from this. Stop.